Decoding, Deciding on a Menu. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that pops up a lot in daily conversations and planning activities: deciding on a menu. Whether you're planning a small family dinner, organizing a big event, or simply curious about English expressions, understanding this phrase is key. Let's break it down together and make it as simple as pie. Deciding on a menu involves making choices about the food and drinks that will be offered at a meal or event. It's not just about picking your favorite dishes. It involves considering various factors like the preferences of your guests, dietary restrictions, the event's theme, and even the season. This phrase is commonly used in both personal and professional contexts, from planning a birthday party to setting up a corporate event. When you're deciding on a menu, it's essential to think about the balance and variety of the options you'll offer. A well-rounded menu typically includes starters or appetizers, small dishes to begin the meal, main courses, the central part of the meal, often featuring a protein, vegetables, and a starch, desserts, sweet treats to conclude the meal, beverages, drinks that complement the food, ranging from water and soft drinks to alcoholic options for adults. Remember, the goal is to cater to different tastes and dietary needs, ensuring everyone has something they can enjoy. 1. Know your audience. Consider the preferences and dietary restrictions of your guests. 2. Seasonal and fresh ingredients. Opt for ingredients that are in season for freshness and better flavor. 3. Diversity. Include a variety of dishes to ensure there's something for everyone. 4. Test and taste. If possible, taste the dishes before finalizing the menu, especially if you're not doing the cooking yourself. 5. Logistics. Think about the preparation and serving logistics, especially for large gatherings or special events. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to decide on a menu, and has provided you with helpful tips for planning your next meal or event. Remember, the essence of this task is to create a memorable and enjoyable dining experience for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful insights into the English language. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.